Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute Tabata workout with burpees, and we're going to start with up and out jacks. It's a jumping jack variation, so just follow along with me. You can do it. Get ready. Go. Now you go up with your first stroke with your hands and then straight out. So jumping jack up and then out, up and then straight out. That's the only difference between that and a regular jumping jack. The motion is just a little bit different. Stop, and here's our burpees. Now the secret is to squat before you put your hands down. So get ready, and go. Squat down, push up, and jump. Now I understand some of you guys might have issues with the push up and the jump. You don't have to do the push up. You don't have to do the jump, but you got to go horizontal. So you could take one or the other out or both of them out if you need to. But I like doing both. Stop and up, high knee climber. So get ready to run in place with your knees high, and I'll show you how to do the rest. So get ready. Go. So you run in place with high knees from the waist down, and from the waist up, you pretend like you're climbing a ladder. So you should look like Spider-Man going up the side of a building. High knees from the waist down and ladder climb from the waist up. Stop and down, low kick through. So you're going to be in a plank, and just follow along with me. And here's what you do. Go. Right hand to left foot and left hand to right foot. So you're in a plank, right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. Notice how my back is curved a little bit with my butt up. That's okay. And your core is tight. Great total body exercise. Great for your balance too. Okay, that's the order. It's not going to change. So we're back to up and out jacks. Get ready. Go up and then out, and then up and then out. Just like jumping jacks, except you're going to go straight out every other stroke. Really great for the shoulders since the movement changes. Stop and burpees. Now the secret is to squat before you put your hands down. Get ready. Go. Squat, put your hands down, push up and jump. And I would exhale as you push your body off the ground. So don't forget to breathe. Don't hold your breath while you're doing this. You could pass out. Don't do that. Squat, hands down, push up, and jump. Stop. Back up. High knee climbers. Get ready to run with high knees and do that ladder climb. And go. High knees. Ladder climb with the hands. And show some urgency. I like to pretend like I'm climbing up the side of the building and King Kong is climbing up under me, after me. So show some urgency, just like Spider-Man. Stop and down. Low kick through again. Go. Right hand to left foot and left hand to right foot. You don't really have to touch your foot. You can touch your ankle like I'm doing. Keep your core tight. Hold up your upper body. Don't forget to breathe. Stop. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to take a 30-second break, catch your breath, take a sip of water. And I got a question. Are you looking for a fat loss program complete with supplements, meal plans, on-demand online workouts, private coaching, dedicated Facebook page, and online support? Check out the Get Healthy at Home program. Link in the description. Okay, we're getting ready for round 2 here. It's going to be exactly the same as round 1. 10 seconds. Get ready for the up and out jacks. Go. Up and then out, up and then out. Jumping jacks with a little variation in the motion. Stop. Burpees. Get ready. Squat down, hands down, push up, and jump. I'm telling you, it'll make you a lot easier for you if you do a squat. You squat down, stick your butt back, bend from your knees, and then put your hands down. Better than trying to fall from the sky there and put your hands down and do a push-up. Trust me. Stop and up, high knee climbers. Get ready. Go. You're raising those knees high, raising those hands high. Try to be smooth, because smooth is fast. Don't forget your breathing, regular breathing pattern. Try to get a pattern. Stop and down low kick through. Get ready. Go. Right hand to left foot and left hand to right foot. Or ankle. Ankle's good enough. Hold your body up. Keep your core nice and tight. Get a rhythm. Be nice and smooth. Stop and up. Up and out jacks with 2 minutes to go. Hang in there. Get ready. Go. Jumping jacks up and then reach out in front of you. Up and out. Stop. Burpees. Get ready. Go. Hands down. Push up and jump. Fast as you can with good form. You're probably going faster than me because I'm an old man, but go as fast as you can with the best form you can. Try to be smooth. Stop. High knee climbers with a minute to go. Hang in there. Go. High knees from the waist down. Ladder climb from the waist up. Climb up that ladder. Keep those knees high. I know you're tired. Hang in there. Regular breathing. Stop and down low kick through. Get ready. Go. Right hand left foot and left hand right foot. Nice and smooth. Fast as you can. Hold that upper body up. Keep that core tight. Stop and up. Okay. If this workout was too short for you, all you got to do is rewind it and you can repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it and click on this video over here for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.